Hello, my name is Dr. Julian Silva. I'm a London-based oculofacial, cosmetic and plastic surgeon, and today I'm talking to you about a book that I've written about blepharoplasty, also known as eyelid surgery. I've always had a passion for providing patients with information in order to make an informed decision, and really this has been a 2-year project writing this book in order to provide exactly this purpose. Information in order for any patient having an eyelid procedure to make an informed decision about their care. Blepharoplasty is the commonest procedure that I do for patients and provide this service for patients on a daily basis. However, everyone's eyes are different, and there's definitely a great deal of care and attention that is required in order to provide each patient with the best possible care. Although my practice is based in London, I've also worked in the cosmetic centres of Beverly Hills and New York, Manhattan, and my experience in this book is very much from those elements. So, what are the sort of things that are covered in this book? Well, many frequently asked questions, and many patients ask me what are going to be the benefits of having surgery, what are the potential downtime and the recovery from having blepharoplasty, but also other questions. What are the relative risks of having surgery? Is it in my best interest? Well, these are all common questions that I allude to in this book. In addition, what can you do before surgery to help ensure that you have the best possible experience and best possible result? And this also stems from being informed and being able to understand certain elements of having surgery, but also how to choose your surgeon, what criteria and what information could be useful in order to make that decision. Also, what actually is involved in a consultation, and many patients can be a little bit fearful about having a consultation. Well, what does that process actually involve, and what can you expect to get from undergoing a consultation with a surgeon? Other elements are, what about after the surgery? What is the recovery after surgery? What steps can you take as a patient in order to ensure that you have the best possible recovery in that time frame? And for patients who like to know more detail about how the surgery is performed, I have figures and illustrations describing each element of the different types of eyelid surgery and how they are performed. The book also goes into more specialist areas, how to ensure like a natural result after blepharoplasty, male blepharoplasty and how that differs from female blepharoplasty, brow lifting, Asian blepharoplasty, associated techniques such as skin resurfacing, volume loss and fat transfer, and how these techniques can potentially benefit you in other ways alongside blepharoplasty or eyelid surgery. So in summary, this book, which is on the subject of blepharoplasty and eyelid surgery, is really to inform you as a patient in all the aspects of eyelids and how you can be an informed patient in order to make the best decision that's relevant for you. Thank you for watching.